it's Miss Sue. This is my daughter, Julia.
Hi.
And together we're at home in our kitchen and we're going to show you how to make dirt pudding cups with worms and dirt pudding flower pots. The items you'll need to make these are instant chocolate pudding mix, some milk, some Oreos or chocolate cookies, some gummy worms to put in your dirt, and for the flower pot, you'll need some marshmallows and some colored sugar. So the first thing we need to do is mix up the instant pudding mix. So I've already measured out the milk. Our package called for 3 cups of milk. I think a smaller pudding package calls for 2 cups. So we're going to take turns as we do this, putting the pudding mix into the milk. And it's my turn to start mixing. I'm going to mix the pudding mix into the milk with a whisk. My turn is all done. Julia, it's your turn.
My turn.
Yes. While you're mixing that, I want to show our friends at home that they could use a core board. Julia, you do it. Julia is mixing the pudding mix. Do it. It is Julia's turn. Okay, now it's my turn. Julia's turn is all done. My turn. And it's good to take turns because your arm can get a little tired from mixing. The package says to mix it for 2 minutes until it starts to thicken. This will be such a yummy snack when we're all done. Julia, while you do that, I'm going to show our friends at home how to crush up the Oreo cookies to make the dirt for our pudding cups. So I took 3 cookies and I put it in a ziplock bag, and I have my little kitchen utensil hammer, and I'm going to gently break the cookies into little pieces. And you want to crush them up so that will make the dirt on top of your pudding cup. Julia, do you want to turn?
Sure.
Okay, can you tell me? My turn.
My turn.
All right. And I think our pudding is ready to sit for a minute. While Julia's crushing up the cookies, I'm going to get the bowl ready to put the cookie crumbs in. And I'm also going to show you how you can cut your marshmallows to make petals on your flower pots. This is a job for a grown-up at home to do. So I have my kitchen scissors. I'm going to take a marshmallow and I'm going to cut a marshmallow into 4 or 5 pieces. And this is going to be the petals on our flower pots. I'm going to cut another one. And again, this is a job for a grown-up so that you don't cut your fingers. It can be tricky because the marshmallows are sticky. Okay, Julia, are the cookies ready?
Yes.
All right, let's put those into a bowl. And while you're putting the cookie crumbs into a bowl, I'm going to get our pudding cups to fill. Very good. All right, I'm going to pour some of our pudding mix into a cup. All right, Julia, you can decorate your pudding cup. So you're going to take a spoonful of the crushed up cookies and put that on top for your dirt. You can take Gummy Worm and put him in. And that could be your dirt pudding cup. And if you want to make a flower pot, you can keep going and take the pieces of marshmallow, find the sticky side, and dip it into some colored sugar to make pretty flower petals. We had some blue and some purple, but you can also make your own colors at home with a little bit of just regular granulated sugar and a few drops of food coloring. Put it in a ziplock bag and shake it up till you have the desired color that you would like. So I'm going to dip a few more into the sugar to finish off my petals. Oh, sticky marshmallows. Okay. There's my flower pot.
Here's mine.
Oh, Julia chose purple. I chose blue petals. Enjoy your delicious pudding dirt cup. Bye, friends.